Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to effectively manage communication on Trello by adding comments to your cards directly from your phone. This tutorial will guide you through the process, helping you stay organized and collaborate efficiently with your team. First, open the Trello app on your mobile device. Next, navigate to the board and select the card to which you want to manage. Tap on the card to open its details. Then, scroll down the card details until you find the section labeled Add a Comment. Here, you can type your message to provide updates, ask questions, or share important information with your team. Once your comment is ready, tap the send icon to post it, ensuring it appears in the card activity. Using comments on Trello helps maintain clear communication and keeps all relevant information centralized within the card. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.